Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today's video is regarding the Zontes 350D and actually stripping the bike. Now the process of stripping a bike, or scooter in this case, everything is done methodically and in layers. The way they design and manufacture bikes and scooters for the production process, so they can systematically place items on the bike or scooter as it goes down the production line. And quality control is a big part of the process as well. So this process you're watching now is actually how to strip the bike in a certain way, take all the scooter's clothes off. You would never have to do this yourself unless you were getting to the end to do a spark plug change, etc. Then you would want to get to it by taking at least a few of these clothes off to get to the engine side of the scooter. My apologies if there hasn't been a video up for a few days. I've been at the hospital, so I couldn't do anything about it, I'm afraid. Please enjoy this video. Look in our playlist. If you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe if you haven't already. There's over 1,500 videos in our playlist on all the different Zontes models of bikes, and they're all subtitled in either English, French, Spanish, Chinese and Arabic. So please take a look. I'll leave you to crack on and enjoy the video. I'll put some music on now. This is Man Mick signing off. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Cheers for now. Bye.
To do what I preached, few extended was gone and I said I had 20 weeks to do what I preached, few weeks then I'm dead was gone and I
practicing harder.
You are upset.